How to freeze frame in ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can freeze frames in ClipChamp. Well, if you wish to freeze a particular frame on your video, on your project on ClipChamp, then let me guide you through the steps. Unfortunately, unlike other editing apps, there is no any direct option to freeze the particular frame and extend its duration. But there is a trick around it. For instance, I want to fix this frame right now, right? This particular frame. What you can do is you can zoom in on the timeline, right? So zoom in and head over to the part on the timeline, right? Then you want to go ahead and press S on your keyboard and it'll split the part. Then you want to simply select 1 second of the part and split it again, and now you have two different files here as you can see on the screen. So you can see here one, and in between I have one again and three, right? Now select the trimmed part here on the timeline, and then at the right hand side you can see speed option, tap on it, and now you can slow it down to 0.1, and this will slow it down really as it is as good as freezing. So you can use this option if you want to freeze a particular frame. So you can see here, this is how you can freeze a frame on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.